2020 Select Hobby Football for Tim. Good luck. Well, I only have this select, and Tim certainly has the right to continue, so when he's done, I'm happy to group break it, but Vic Prism, Fitzgerald, CJ Henderson, rookie. Candy Golden, Jordan Love, Denzel Mims, Brian Edwards Prism, Jalen Rager, A.J. Dillon, Darrington Evans, Brady, Michael Pittman Jr. out of 35, rookie. Clinton Portis Prism Auto 4 of 99. Julio Jones. '22 of 25, DK Metcalf tie-dye. That's pretty cool. Joe Montana, J.K. Dobbins Prism, field level. Justin Herbert. Mahomes. Joe Burrow. Rookie selections. CJ Ham Prism. Noah rookie. Tyler Johnson. Aaron Donald. Jordan Love rookie. Akuda. Taylor. Brian Edwards. Cam Newton base. Dak Prescott out of 149. J.K. Dobbins Prism. Oh, looks like we have gold. Come on. Big rookie auto. Brady. Cam Newton. 6 of 10 gold. Jacob Eason. Very nice. Man, I wish that would have been a Burrow or Hurts. Or, of course, Herbert. That's still nice rookie auto. 6 of 10. Josh Kelly. Lutton. Judy. Bradshaw. Becton Prism. Morgan. Brett Favre. 11 of 49 Prism. Pirine Silver and Mims or Pirine Prism. Pirine Prism. Thanks, Tim.